Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Hippo.com website is and what you can expect from the service. According to Hippo, its website provides homeowners insurance and related home protection services. Customers can use Hippo to request a homeowner's insurance quote and access supported policy, claims, and home care services. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee website performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Hippo states that its homeowner's insurance is designed to cover the home, personal belongings, liability, and other eligible losses under the applicable policy. Coverage, limits, exclusions, and deductibles depend on the policy and location. According to Hippo, available coverage can include protection for the dwelling, other structures, personal property, loss of use, personal liability, and medical payments to others. Hippo also highlights coverage options for items associated with modern homes, including electronics and home office equipment. Additional endorsements and optional coverages can be available depending on the state and policy. Customers can begin the quote process online by providing information about themselves and the property. Hippo uses property and other available data to help streamline the quoting process. A final premium depends on factors including the home's location and characteristics, selected coverage, deductible, claims history, and other underwriting information. Hippo also provides access to Hippo Home Care. According to Hippo, eligible customers can use home care for virtual assistance with home maintenance and repair questions. Hippo also offers smart home technology to qualifying policyholders in supported locations. Available devices, discounts, requirements, and participation terms vary. Customers can manage supported policy information through Hippo's digital services. According to Hippo, claims can be reported online or by phone. The claims process can include providing information about the loss, submitting documentation, reviewing damage, and working with a claims representative. Hippo Insurance Services is a licensed property casualty insurance agency. Insurance policies available through Hippo can be underwritten by different insurance carriers, so the specific insurer is identified in the customer's policy documents. Hippo Homeowners Insurance is not available in every state. Coverage availability, premiums, discounts, underwriting requirements, and home care features can change, so users should check Hippo's current quote and policy documents before purchasing coverage. For homeowners interested in digitally accessing home insurance and related home care tools, Hippo could be an option. Whether this website is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this website or notice anything missing or outdated.